You have to do it around Static Dad too. That's embarrassing.
Why you gotta do that? What's up, guys? Welcome to Static Works. Today we're doing a must. We're actually finally installing coilovers on the S2000. It's a long waited thing, but we're finally doing it.
That was the fastest fucking intro. I respect that. So today we are going to be finally installing coilovers on Chavez's S2000, and the coilovers he got are really good. They're a lot better than the ones I got for my car, or Gonzo, or Static Dad, or Stephanie.
So these are the K-tuned K1 Street Series coilovers, and I got them because they just look really nice.
So you got it for the look. You don't care how they perform.
I don't know how it drives. I don't know anything about it. I don't even know the little springlet rate. I don't know anything about them. They just look really nice. I mean, look at that. What other coilover does that?
Mine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I haven't seen them.
So,
no, see?
So on these cars, do they have the spring and the shock together, like the fronts, or are they separated and then you're converting it to a true coil style?
These are ugly. What do you mean?
Because on some cars, they have the spring separate from the shock on the rears. No,
it's a coil. Yeah, no, it's a coil. Yeah.
So it's better.
Well, yeah, come on, double wishbone suspension.
Oh, so Gonzo? My bad. I didn't want to bring up any Z's or G's around.
I don't like Chavez.
Yeah, he's just my coworker. No,
jeez, bro, you need. God damn.
Hey guys,
start the video today though. You just have to say what's up, guys, and stuff like that.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be working on Jose's car.
You know we already did the intro, right?
Oh, okay, we're not gonna be working on Jose's car. We're gonna be doing coils today. We're just still working on his car. But yeah.
Spring rate on the front is 9,000. The one in the rear is 7,000. That's all I know about it.
No, you don't. You're lying.
That's honestly all I know.
So it has 32-way
dampening. 32-way adjustable.
Do you know what that means?
Yes. Yes.
I don't know what that means.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Soft,
pretty
left,
much,
right to the heart.
What's dampening?
Right to the heart. Here you go.
I don't know what dampening is.
These are little knobs that go into the struts, and you turn left. You turn the knob to the left, so you soften up the dampening, and then you turn to the right to tighten up.
And they pretty much just go in, huh? Just like that.
There you go. Now you're tightening it.
So fancy. I wish I had that.
It's all right. I mean, I don't never driven a car like that.
So we'll test them though. Maybe we'll do a really review on
right
that.
I do one really soft, and then that's what I was saying.
You
really
want them soft?
Super soft in the beginning, kind of see them, then get them as tight as possible.
And you're not gonna go. You can't go too low then.
You probably can.
No.
No, because apparently these soft are stock lows. If that makes sense.
But it doesn't matter. I'm gonna give Chavez a little lesson about lowered cars. When you lower your car, the more you go, the stiffer you have to go. Just because you don't want a lot of travel, especially when you're going over bumps or any of that on the road. You are going to be hitting, and the stiffer you go, the less play there's going to be in the suspension. So you're going to be able to go over bumps, and your body's not going to move as much. So always recommend going stiffer if you're really going to go low. If you're going to go soft, raise the car a little bit.
Why do you have an extra stereo?
What is that, bro?
Bro,
No.
Oh, bro, this is the JDM ECU, bro.
That's a stereo. You not know anything.
This is my.
That's the alternator, bro.
This is the alternator capacitor.
We used to have these back in the day for the boys. Then we switched to soda, but we don't have any soda, so we're gonna use some. Have you ever tried that?
No.
You're gonna try one.
Mochi or mochi?
You're gonna record. I'm gonna record you trying one.
Mochi? I know what these are.
Okay, I match it. Look at it.
Try it. Fucking dang, huh? It's weird, huh? It's like heaven.
It's like bread, but like really cold bread, like yogurt on the inside.
The comfortable.
Oh, it's weird, dude. It's like it's not bad, but it's weird.
Chavez drove in his car pretty close to the right side, so we have no room to install coils. So we're just gonna do that one side at a time. And the problem with that is once you lower it to a point you want on the first side, you go to lower the other one and it's gonna drop both of them. So just make sure to just install them all if you're gonna do it this way, and then play with all of them back and forth.
Don't be a dumbass like Chavez is what he's trying to say in short term. You stupid face. What? Why
you just talk shit. What do you do?
I'm so mad.
You don't even work on cars.
I'm mad today. I am mad because everyone wants to race me now. Like, you think I got fucking gas money to race all you guys? No, I just say I do to make me look better.
Now that the wheel is off, we're gonna be looking at the strut and it's the same as the Miata, so it's gonna have 2 bolts on each side. The Miata only has 1, so this will be easy, a little bit easier. We're gonna have to remove these 2 bolts, and then there's 1 bolt on the bottom, and then it should just come out, obviously with those 2 nuts removed from the top, because these Hondas, I don't know if all Hondas do, but these Hondas only have 2 nuts holding the strut towers. So strut towers, I fuck up every time, huh?
Don't beat it. Just don't beat any. The bottom that holds the strut tower. Why am I calling this?
You fucked up. See, this is what you get. Oh man. Yeah. No, what size is the bottom one?
Oh no. So all 3 of them. This one right here, and the bottom one. They're both see that's 17 millimeter. The top is probably gonna be like a 13 or 14.
12.
We're at 10.
12.
At 12.
Let's see.
13.
You're buying me dinner, bitch.
On today's segment of Life Advice for Gonzo, we're going to be talking a little bit about the new law from California, because that's all you guys care about for some reason. I'm going to just tell you this, okay? I drive my car really, really bad. Like, I beat on it 24/7. The other day, I was driving Danny's car just from work. I wasn't doing anything. I was just driving. The officer pulled us over, said no front plate, no exhaust. So I was like, oh, okay. Like, that's fine. It's fine. It's like I wasn't even driving. The other day, the same day actually, I got pulled over later that night, leaving my night class, and I got pulled over because I was speeding and also exhaust, and because my car's lowered, and I was let off with a warning for both times. So here's what I'm gonna tell you. It doesn't matter if you're driving slow or fast. So might as well just drive your car fast as fuck. Keep some loud ass exhaust, because that shit sounds nice. All right, don't. Everyone trying to buy stock exhaust, don't do that. It's not worth it. It's not worth it at the end of the day. Oh my god, that guy almost hit me. Jesus, he drives a fucking Ford. My advice to you is, go ahead and just keep whatever exhaust you have. If anything, make it louder, and cash out on all the people who are selling their exhausts dirt cheap. Basically, on like a serious note, it doesn't matter if you have loud or quiet exhaust. Wait, no, it does fucking matter. What am I saying? It doesn't matter if you're driving fast or you're driving slow. They're just looking to get people, so if they can see that your exhaust is modified, they're gonna bust you. It really doesn't matter. I didn't get any tickets, so I can't tell you how much it is, but the one thing I can tell you is just enjoy your car in the long run, and just don't harm anyone while you're driving. All right, if you're hauling ass, don't do it around anybody. Just do it by yourself, or do it with your friend in the car. That way you'd be like, look bitch, my car's faster than yours. You know what I mean? That's all. It's like, just enjoy your car. Keep the loud exhaust. That's your car's character. You don't need no stock exhaust. Unless you want to be like the Miata, so you can like go and swing it just without cops harassing you. Yeah.
And insert a clip here.
Yeah, we'll put the clip down here of Gonzo trying to get sideways on the Miata. It doesn't like grip, like it grips up. Fuck! It pisses me off.
That shit was good though.
We got the 40, motherfucker.
So with everything removed, all you have to do is just push everything. Oh shit, bro, we're stuck here, boys.
I know.
What we had to do was, this strut was originally on this control arm. So what we did was we pushed the brake assembly down, and we were able to move this to the side. So now we're literally just gonna be able to pull it out, which we thought it was gonna be more of a pain in the ass, but it doesn't look too hard to do. These are the OEM S2000 coilovers versus the aftermarket K-Tune coilovers. As you can see, the overall difference is pretty significant. It is shorter, so just from the beginning it's already gonna be lower, and it honestly just looks way better, the build quality. And obviously OEM shocks are to provide a comfortable ride, and these are to go fucking fast in the canyons, dog.
How you feel about going fucking fast in the canyons, you dirty fucking grizzly bear?
I'll make a sticker for
Daddy
that.
President 2029.
We say this every time we install coilovers, but letting you guys know again, make sure all of the coils are set to the same height as you want it.
Why?
Just so when you adjust it, you're not gonna have to be adjusting both and then counting threads.
Oh. So guys, as you know, we don't work on our cars here because we've been doing this.
No, we haven't.
Yes, we have. Right, Dad? Exactly. So Dad's not here right now. So that's why we can film this and we can talk about how we did it. So Dad went ahead and painted this whole thing white.
Dude, we really did. We added new
cabinet. You guys
cabinet.
couldn't notice the wall for some reason used to just be like this weird ass, like, it just looks like fucking cabinets. Is that the right word to call it? Cabinet. And then like he's painting the fucking thing white, and then you got a bunch of drawers and shit. I don't know how he did that. Magic carpenter. Honestly, I don't know where I'm going with this. And now that we have all this space, everything's gonna be much organized. So
Much organized.
That's fucking right. What are you saying? Everything's gonna be much organized now, and we got a new series coming because you guys have been asking for a lot of life advice with Gonzo. So we went ahead and we're like, oh, we're gonna give it to you. That sounded wrong.
One thing that I did add was this whiteboard.
Why do your penmanship look like you're 3 years old? What is that? What does that say?
Don't listen to Gonzo because that fool drives a Z that has 200,000 miles. But
yeah,
these are the 2 videos that we have planned, and we're gonna be writing down more stuff on there. So we're gonna be listing goals for ourselves, which is gonna be pretty dope for us, just because it's gonna be something that we can actually check off. And one of our next goals is hitting 12,000 subs because we're already at 11,000.
So you know how we all have to be static here, so everyone has to be on chorus, and then like Danny's always talking about fucking slamming it. So we went ahead and put it on the lowest setting.
Oh, we can go lower.
This doesn't even fit, dumbass.
Are you okay, Travis?
It's a little too low.
Yeah, this is a track car.
This is a perfect opportunity for Gonzo.
That's Chavez.
Fuck. This is a perfect opportunity for Gonzo.
Keep in mind, this is the like 10th retake we've had already. Now that you guys see that clearly the fucking coil is too small, we're gonna go ahead and take the time to show you guys that you can that we can readjust it. See, we don't want to show you half the things that are on the other side of this camera because they're just too damn bad to be on YouTube.
I still have my 2 different wheels set up because, you know, drift spec, and it looks really good right now because look at that lip to fender. Obviously I can go lower, but right now it doesn't rub, and it's perfect just because on the freeway when it does hit, it is hitting on here, on this side actually. It's hitting around this area, but honestly Martin does a shitty parking job because he parked my car last, but it looks pretty nice, and I can't wait to put the rears on, and I'm gonna wait to do a video for you guys to see if we can dial in the fitment to be just as good as the fronts.
To adjust these coils, what I learned from, can I plug them in?
Yeah.
Fitment Industries, is that you're never supposed to change the height of the spring. It's usually these little twisties.
Because this is to change the preload, right? Mm-hmm. So make it stiffer too, as well?
Yes,
okay. Or
softer, you know, that's why you don't want to mess with that. So what you do is you just adjust this, you know, this is for raising, I believe. Yeah, this is raising the vehicle. That's what we want, because yeah.
Bless you.
Yeah.
On my car, it isn't like this. So pretty much the threaded portion is actually part of the whole assembly. So instead of being able to twist it, all this is metal. All this is metal, and it's just threaded, so there's no way to adjust it, because on mine you can adjust the dampening. It just automatically adjusts based on if the spring has tension on it or not, and mine doesn't. That's why it's really soft, and I can't have people in my car.
Respect.
Remember that? Remember that?
And it's a little dip. Well, the rear is a lot easier just because of the fact that the upper control arm is no longer in the way of the strut. So we're just gonna take this bolt off right here.
And one thing that I did notice that I was talking to Travis about is there's a dildo that's connected to the strut, and I guess that's an extra reservoir tank, which is gonna help it handle better. You said?
Yeah.
How?
More liquid, more better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. But it is leaking, as you can see right here. Oh, it's a little dark. It is leaking, as you can see, and we'll show you how it looks once we remove it. But it looks like the only things we're gonna have to remove is gonna be this bolt right here, which is gonna be another 17, and then 2 nuts on top, which Chavez said you have to remove a couple of things. So we're gonna go do that right now and show you guys how to do that.
So what Raymond's doing, or what do you guys know him as Gonzo? What he's doing is he's lifting out the, what is that, the old funnel, the gas funnel.
Yeah.
And you gotta take that out just so from the inside, and you can see the inside, just so we can be able to move this now, because the strut's up in there, and you can't really reach it. Only way is to move this, and it like wiggles out, and yeah, it gives you space. In other words, you fucking slow, dude.
You're gonna want to remove the 3 nuts on here with an 8mm, and then it should be able to push out, which is gonna probably be the biggest pain in the ass.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bitch.
I will beat you at your fucking corner.
Oh my god.
What's that?
What'd you do to him?
Hey, you fucking porter, you're the shit. Yeah, how you doing? Wash cars, you bitch.
Not to waste time, we're gonna be doing the other side, and then I'll show you guys when it's all done, and then we'll go from there. This is how the S2000 looks with the coils installed. As you can see, it's pretty equal on each side. I'll give you a front shot and then the rear. The rears aren't going to hit at all. They do clear. On the front, on the other hand, the fender liner is hitting it, and since they are pretty big tires, it is just scraping along the fender. So that's what we're going to be doing tonight. We're going to be just raising the fronts just a little bit, just enough where it doesn't rub, and it should be good. But honestly, it does look really nice, and it makes the front bumper look pretty aggressive now.
I think it looks dope. It's like the 8.6 when I got lower.
It just made it look better, huh?
Yeah, the front lip, it just looks more aggressive.
What do you think? Nah, it's your car.
Those rims look like little girls, though.
That's what I'm telling you, bro. Why don't you just throw on my wheels and just drive them?
Let's do it.
Call it a day.
Some 20s, my G.
This is where we're gonna end the video, just because we want to get everything done. So hope you guys enjoyed the install. It is pretty easy to do on these cars, so we don't really have to go into detail that well. But just the main concern was taking out that fuel piping from the nozzle area, just so we can get to the 2 nuts on the struts. So that was pretty much the only difficulty that we had. But now that Chavez is low, he can focus on some more cosmetic mods. But I'm just glad he's finally static, so he can be with the static boys. Shout out to everyone who made it to the end of the video, because if you guys watched the 10K subscriber giveaway video, we said we were gonna announce the giveaway winner on what's up, Marge? On the next video in the end. So we wrote down everyone who commented done that they did. Low battery. I don't know if you can see, I have all the names here. Let me see, save. Okay, so I'm gonna put choose for me. So I'm gonna have Martin press it just in case, you know, so everyone doesn't get mad at him.
Where does it say choose for me? Ready?
Wait. Go. The camera literally just ran out of memory, so I had to delete some, but good thing the last fucking clip was the winner. So that's Scroll Mac. You're the winner of the giveaway. So make sure to DM me on Instagram. We'll talk about shipping and stuff, but we're gonna wait until the pre-orders are done, which is gonna be this Friday, and then that's when we'll put in the order for you, an additional one to ship out, and then we'll ship your hoodie out. So make sure, yeah, just DM me on Instagram, and then we'll get it all figured out with your address and stuff. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share. We'll see you guys on the next one.